I can't believe I got grounded for eating toothpaste. What should I do? I know. I'm going to crash the car to the gate garage. Zack sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sir. Now it's time to drive the car to hit the gate garage. Zack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack 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 sir. Zack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sack say. Yes, I crashed the gate garage. Zack sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sick sack sir. I'm going to the store and buy some food. My monster clone, why did you take my car to crash the gate garage? Is that true? Yes, I did. I crashed the car to the gate garage. My monster clone, how dare you take my car to crash to the garage door? Now I have to pay for fixing your garage. That's it. You're grounded until 80 years. Go home into your room right now.